I know it's kind of late and also really dark outside, but today's September 7th, 2021. It's actually gonna be my 25th birthday. Today's my birthday. So yeah, anyways, as you can see, for the longest I've had this car, there's been no emblem. But if you look at these packages on the floor, we're about to change that. So let's get into that. Alright, so as you guys can see, if I can open this, it's gonna be the red Honda badge. I think this was long overdue because that was a naked trunk. You can't tell now, but it was. Alright, I don't know how I feel about this, but we're just gonna push it on so that it's... This is how it looks with the badge on. Looks pretty good actually. I haven't had an emblem for so long, so it's weird to see one. But then we have my single exit exhaust with the black exhaust tip. We also changed up the grille, but it's so dark that you won't be able to tell. But let's get to washing this thing. Alright, so as I was promising from last video, I said I was going to get an exhaust test of the new exhaust. Just a few disclaimers. I'm not really going to be able to do full-on pulls because I'm not going to lie, my clutch is slipping really bad. It has nothing to do with the mods that I put on. It's more so the clutch needed to be changed for a while. So this is going to be how it's like daily driving with the windows down with this system. Basically, it's just one muffler to a straight pipe all the way to a single exit. Yes, we have the exhaust valve cut out that's supposed to quiet the exhaust. I don't know how much it's working because there was an electrical problem with it, but we're gonna get a few clips of daily driving with the windows down, probably some revs, and then maybe some flyby. No, probably not flybys because honestly my clutch is slipping so bad. But anyways, the good thing about this is that we still need to do an update video anyways because the high flow precats from RV6, they still need to be installed. They're going to be installed alongside the clutch. So depending on how that sounds, I might have to put another resonator. But anyways, let's get right into the driving. I'm going to be driving as if I'm daily driving, so I'm not really going to go past 2000 or 25, but here it is. And slow takeoff, but listen, this is how it sounds. You can hear the slip right here. Alright, some rev match downshifts. Alright, so first gear actually it behaves the most. There's less of a slip in first gear, but I am noticing that it's starting to slip first gear as well, but we'll do a first gear pull. Hopefully it'll cooperate. I don't know what that is in the front, but anyways. Wow. The car is actually cooperating this time. Weird. Woo! Man, I love the sound. It sounds very similar to a VQ. Probably because both 3.5 and V6, but anyways, I'm not complaining. Let's do another one if we can. Oh yeah, you can hear the slip. Man. Alright, so rev match downshifts. Actually heel toe. One more in third to second. And if you listen closely, you can hear it pops. That's mostly due to the J-pipe. It's on D-cell or when you downshift. It's hard to tell though. But we're gonna go to the spot for some revs. Alright, so we're gonna get a few of the revs from about 5 or 6 feet away. Hold on. All right, do a few more. I'm a little closer. All right, that's enough, boy. Dude, it sounds really good, and I can smell the cat, but anyways, or the lack of the cat, but anyways, let's get a few, maybe we can get a launch or so, but that's basically how it sounds from revving. Shit, that's loud. Holy fuck. This is gonna be what it's like when you have the windows down, you're kind of cruising. This is the in-cabin. It's pretty accurate. Depending on what RPM you are, you do have to talk a little louder, but it's not unbearable. It's definitely not the loudest car I've been in, but it's definitely in the middle. I know I've been in a lot of cars that are quieter, but I think it's a good volume. I hope I don't get too much harassment by the cops, but let's get this little heel toe, or not heel toe, rev match. Hopefully this cooperates. Please cooperate. Not quite. Anyways, I just wanted to get a little in-cabin as well before I close out the video. Just like I said in earlier clips, this is not the final exhaust for the single, or the final version for the single exit. We still have to put on the high flow precats, which is going to be put on at the same time as the clutch, because you have to drop basically the whole subframe, and I think it's easier once you have all that down. But once the clutch is replaced and the high flow precats are installed, we're gonna do a better exhaust video because it won't slip at all, and we will see how it compares to see if it adds more rasp, if it pulls stronger. Well, it will pull stronger because my clutch is gonna be obviously new, and the high flow precats do give a good boost in wheel horsepower and wheel torque. But we're gonna revisit this video concept so that we can see how much it changes. But I hope you guys liked the video. I'll see you in the next upload. Also, make sure to comment down what you want to see for the Accord, or if you want to see the Miata. We have other stuff in the works too, so just stay tuned and let's do one more pool. Of course it doesn't want to freaking, oh man, that slip is trash. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. This clutch is going to be replaced really soon, and there's a lot more to come. Both performance, cosmetic, everything. But anyways, see you guys.